come up to race for Queensland guys tonight, so we'll see if someone can finally beat the R35 that's won 4 times in a row. So let's go ahead and do a bit of a pit walk and see who's here tonight. We'll start with the Sydney guys first. If you guys don't know, this is the owner Go Fast Bits, which do sponsor Sally. So that is the Cobalt Evo. If you don't know it, look it up. You'll definitely see heaps of videos on it. He's down here from Sydney, obviously. Got a Subi here. I've seen this car a lot on Instagram. This is another one I've seen a lot online and on Instagram. The JDM King Osman Racing. And here is another one of the Evos. Here's another cool Evo. I love the wing on this one, and I also love that 32. That 32 is so fast. Look at those Commodores. That's what I want to see. Pink Lambo. It's so cute. It's pink. It's really fast though. A lot of the cars have gone out on track now, as you can see. So we're just kind of walking up and down and seeing who we can find. That looks tough. That's approved. It's turbo as well. It looks like that is one. We got a Holden Toronto. My future tow truck. Got a 33. That's so good. It is super fast as well. This has been in a heap of other roll racing videos as well. The R32 Black Rise. This makes me want to do my 32 like this. The amount of spectators out here is actually insane. It's so much more than a drift event. Like, check this out. That's won 4 times in a row, so this is one to look out for tonight. And there is that green Lambo. Got a Slovaki snack box. Let's go watch the elimination. Look at that. Oh my god. That's so nice. Wonder if it's swapped for Sally. Just kidding. definitely a lot busier than any other event I've went to, maybe except the Power Cruise, but this is definitely more dense and more packed against the wall here. They're just getting everyone off track that lost, and then they're going to go ahead and move into the second round of elimination. The pink Lambo versus the black R32. I really want to go for the pink Lambo, but I'm going to go for the black 32. Evo is moving on to yet another round. I think we have maybe like 2 or 3 rounds left, so I'm getting excited. Up next is the Koval car again, so let's see if he wins this one. Koval just lost that one, so he got pretty far up in the rounds. I think what we got left, we got the black rice 32 left, the 35 that's won 4 times, and the white Evo left. I'm really hoping the 32 wins, but I might be biased. So we're into the final races. It's one of the Sydney Evos against the R35. So let's see who wins. Okay, so left we have the Black Rice R32 and the R35 that's won 4 times. I'm hoping on the R32, but I think the R35 will win. The R35 won against Black Rice, so that's 5 times undefeated now. I've got work tomorrow morning at 8 AM, so that's nice. I always wanted my 32 silver, so I got work at 8 AM tomorrow, so we're going to head off and try and beat the crowd. That is the end of the roll racing video, so it ended up being the R35 that took it out again, but it was a very close race. Nonetheless, it was really exciting, so let me know what you guys think in the comments, if I should do more roll racing content or just stick to the drifting. This was a little bit different to me, but I did enjoy it. Thanks so much to Moz on the mic for getting me out here. I was at front and